Are you tired of looking like a teenager when you dress casually? If you've ever felt like you're caught in a style time warp, or that you're not reflecting your age or sophistication in your casual attire, you're not alone. Many men find themselves in a similar predicament, unsure how to navigate the world of casual men's fashion without appearing too youthful or out of touch. This is a common dilemma that many adult men face when trying to dress casually. Striking the right balance between comfort, style, and age-appropriate attire can seem like a daunting task. It's easy to fall into the trap of dressing too young or too old for your age, or sticking to what's comfortable at the expense of looking stylish. But fear not, for we are here to help you navigate this fashion conundrum. Our goal in this video is to provide you with guidelines, practical tips, and a roadmap to dressing casually while maintaining style and dignity. No more fashion faux pas, no more second-guessing your outfit choices, and definitely no more dressing like a teenager. We will explore the basic principles of casual dressing, dig into how to build a versatile and stylish wardrobe, discuss the role of accessories in enhancing your look, and finally guide you on how to embrace your unique style. Remember, dressing casually does not mean you have to compromise on style or sophistication. It's all about understanding your body, knowing what works for you, and making smart fashion choices that reflect your personality and lifestyle. So, if you're ready to step up your style game and dress casually without looking like you're trying too hard or not trying at all, then stay tuned. This journey into the world of men's fashion is about to get exciting. Let's delve into how to dress casually while preserving your adult individuality. Because after all, style is a way of saying who you are without having to speak. The first step towards a stylish casual look is understanding the basic principles. Now you might be thinking, how hard can it be? It's just clothes, right? But let me tell you, there's a whole world of difference between dressing and dressing well. The first is simply covering your body. The second, however, is an art form, a way to express yourself, your personality, and your taste. So, where do we start? Well, first things first. Don't be afraid to experiment. Yes, you heard me right. Colors, textures, accessories, these are the tools of our trade, the paints on our palette. Of course, you don't have to dress like a peacock to stand out, but a little pop of color here, a nice texture there, can go a long way in elevating your look from just another guy to that guy with the cool style. Next up, let's talk about quality. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying cheap, low-quality clothes. But remember, you're not a teenager anymore. You're a grown man, and your clothes should reflect that. Invest in high-quality materials that not only look good but also last. Trust me, nothing ruins a great outfit faster than a frayed shirt or a faded pair of jeans. And speaking of jeans, let's discuss size. The right fit can make or break an outfit. It's not about wearing clothes that are tight or loose, but rather, clothes that fit you just right. Clothes that flatter your body shape and make you feel comfortable and confident. And finally, accessories. Yes, even in casual dressing, accessories play a crucial role. A nice watch, a stylish pair of sunglasses, even a simple leather bracelet can add that extra touch of sophistication to your outfit. But remember, less is more. One standout piece is often enough to make a statement. So there you have it, folks. The basics of dressing casually as a grown man. Remember, dressing well doesn't mean you have to lose your individuality. On the contrary, it's all about expressing who you are in the most stylish way possible. And above all, remember, moderation is the key to good taste. An essential element of a stylish casual look is the wardrobe. This is where the magic happens. This is where you bring together all the elements of style and create an ensemble that speaks to your personality, taste, and sophistication. Think of your wardrobe as a palette of colors. You don't want it to be a rainbow, bursting with every color under the sun. Instead, you want it to be a curated collection of shades that work well together, that complement each other, and that can be mixed and matched in countless combinations. Avoid overly bright and printed clothing, which can be distracting and juvenile. Instead, opt for classic colors, blues, grays, whites, and blacks, and understated silhouettes. These will serve as the backbone of your wardrobe and provide a solid foundation for your casual style. Now let's talk about the key pieces that every man should have in his wardrobe. Jackets, for instance, are a must. They can instantly elevate a casual outfit and give it a touch of elegance and sophistication. Sweaters, too, are crucial. They offer warmth and comfort and can be layered over shirts or under jackets for a variety of looks. Jeans are another staple. They're versatile, they're comfortable, and they're timeless. Opt for a pair in a dark wash for a more refined look, or a lighter wash for a more laid-back vibe. And don't forget about footwear. A good pair of shoes can make or break an outfit. Choose something that's comfortable, stylish, and appropriate for the occasion. Your wardrobe should be versatile and mix well with each other. Each piece should be able to work in harmony with the others, creating a cohesive and well-thought-out look. Remember, it's not about having a closet full of clothes, but rather about having the right clothes. It's about quality, not quantity. It's about style, not trends. It's about dressing like a grown man, not a teenager. So go forth and build that wardrobe. Make it a reflection of who you are and who you aspire to be. And most importantly, have fun with it. Do not forget about accessories. They can add individuality to your look. And that's where we'll focus our attention now, gentlemen. Accessories, the unsung heroes of a well-rounded wardrobe. They bring the je ne sais quoi factor to your ensemble, that final touch that ties everything together. Let's start with the basics. Sunglasses are not just for blocking out the sun. They are a style statement, a way to add a dash of cool to your casual look. Whether you're going for the classic aviator or prefer the modern wayfarer, make sure they suit your face shape and complement your outfit. Next, belts. Belts are not merely practical. They are a way to break up your outfit, to add a dash of color or texture. Opt for a quality leather belt in a neutral color that can go with most of your wardrobe. A tip to remember, gentlemen, your belt should match your shoes. It's a small detail, but one that speaks volumes about your style acumen. Now, onto watches. A well-chosen watch can elevate your style to new heights. It's not just about telling time, it's about expressing your personality. From sleek, minimalist designs to more elaborate chronographs, there's a watch out there for every man. Just remember, the watch should fit well on your wrist and complement the rest of your outfit. And let's not forget scarves. A scarf is a fantastic accessory for those cooler days. It adds an extra layer of sophistication and can bring a pop of color to your ensemble. Whether you go for a chunky knit or a sleek cashmere, a scarf can add warmth and style in equal measure. But here's a word of caution, gentlemen. While accessories can enhance your look, too many can overwhelm it. You don't want to look like a walking jewelry store. So choose wisely and remember that sometimes less is more. Remember, an excess of accessories can appear excessive. So use them to express your style and personality, but keep it classy and understated. Now that you know the basic principles of a stylish, casual look for an adult man, do not hesitate to experiment and find your unique style. Remember, gentlemen, fashion is not a one-size-fits-all. Each man has his own unique personality, and that should shine through in his clothing choices. Don't be afraid to try something new. Have you always been a jeans and t-shirt guy? Why not try on a sleek pair of chinos or a button-down shirt? Feeling adventurous? Experiment with color and pattern. The key is to keep it balanced and harmonious. Dressing well is not just about looking good for yourself. It's also about showing respect for those around you. When you put effort into your presentation, it shows that you value the time and company of others. Remember, your clothing is an extension of who you are. It's a visual representation of your personality, your tastes, and your values. So let it tell your story. Are you a creative individual? Play with textures and patterns. Are you a classic gentleman? Stick to timeless pieces with a modern twist. The world is your runway, so strut your stuff with confidence. One final note, gentlemen. Dressing well is not just about the clothes. It's about how you wear them. Your confidence, your posture, your charisma, these are what truly make an outfit. So stand tall, walk with purpose, and let your clothes be the cherry on top of your already impressive persona. Remember, style is personal. It's not about following trends or mimicking someone else's look. It's about finding what works for you, what makes you feel good, and what tells your story. So don't be afraid to break the rules and blaze your own trail. And most importantly, have fun with it. Fashion is a form of self-expression, a way to play and experiment with different aspects of your personality. So embrace it, enjoy it, and let it be a reflection of your unique, incredible self. Be stylish and confident. Thank you for your attention, and until next time.